now rocking with the legendary stunt. And it ain't over until we say it's done. You know what it is. Let's go, baby.
You know I came up from nothing, but this right out, you know I ain't nothing. I know you probably know what it takes, so follow my lead, let's go. We can roll with the punches. Legends fight to the dawn. Heroes all alone, don't have to do it alone. Nah. 515 party victory lap. Find our enemies, maniac, yeah. We're looking out for the world. Everyone you know they heard, stop. Here with the team, don't stop. Fiery heart of a dragon, attackers unlocking and putting you in
Every challenge, the level of a queen, but we double we're fighting as a team. Don't have to go low.
Together we're stronger than ever, you know how to do. Starting victories are we're unstoppable. MVP, the V ain't optional. This ain't hard to do. Our team impossible. My name broad is lit. Ain't no target that is hard to hit. Legendary, we'll be rocking it. Ain't no stopping this.
Blood in my mind, feeling like a sinner. Blood in your eyes, I'm fighting as a winner. Sure I back every challenge, the level of a queen, but we double the damage when we're fighting as a team. I bring hands from the love. I leave you dead, beg you for more. Together we are heroes. Yeah, we are unstoppable.
Yeah, we winning round.
Down to the ground.
Together we are legendary.
Steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally learning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I go launch quick. And I'm honest, just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, no stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Dark, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit.